everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amanda and today we're doing a vlog.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and I'm so glad that you're here. As you can see, we are doing a vlog today and we are on the plane. We are going to Reno to go to my cousin's graduation, and then we're also going to go camping in Lake Tahoe. So stay tuned for the vlog. We're actually on the plane right now and we're waiting to leave. It's super early in the morning. It's like 5:30 and you guys probably already know Mama is not a morning person. I do not like to wake up early, so I only have about 3 hours of sleep and it really sucks. Are you tired? It's just me and Mom on the trip this time. So everybody else was supposed to come camping with us, but they all kind of like flaked out. So me and Mom were the only ones. And normally we drive, as you guys have seen like in our other vlogs when we go back to Reno, that we normally drive. I was not having it this time. If we were going, I was said we are flying for sure. So it's only an hour flight instead of a 7-hour drive, and ain't nobody got time for that. So we're gonna fly. We flew Southwest. Normally we fly like Allegiant and stuff, but it was just as cheap to fly Southwest, and you get your 2 bags and a check bag, so it ends up being cheaper just to fly Southwest if you fly super early or super late at night. So yeah, we flew super early, so we're gonna get there around 7 a.m. and I will catch you when we get to Reno. Bye! Say bye. What are you playing over there?
Farmville.
Dude, she's one of those weird Facebook game people that plays like Farmville.
No, this is the township.
No. I hate those games. They're the worst. It's actually good. Okay, bye. We'll catch you guys a little bit later. What?
Don't talk crap about my little town.
Don't tell me what to do. You're not the boss of me. Okay, bye. We'll see you guys later. Hey guys, what's up? So we are actually camping now. So I told you guys, I'm pretty sure the last time I checked in, I was actually at the airport, and I've actually been here for like 3 days. The reason we came down here was to go camping for my cousin's graduation. So I decided it'd be more fun. We weren't really doing anything like the beginning of the week. We were just hanging out and like relaxing and stuff. And so now we are out camping. So I figured that's the more fun part of the vlog. And I don't want this vlog to be super, super long. So we are out camping in Lake Tahoe. I will bring you guys along to hang out with us while we camp. I'm not sure how exciting this vlog is going to be, but it's fun. I always like to watch vlogs where people are out camping and having fun with family and friends. So hopefully you enjoy this vlog. We're going to go set up the tent now, so I will show us setting up the tent. We don't even have directions for this tent because it's like old, and so Dan normally sets up the tent. So my husband's not here and no one else's husbands are here, so we're just gonna make do with what we can do and try our best. So let's go set up the tent. My whole family's here, so you're gonna meet a lot more of my family. I actually started my channel a year ago, so we've finally hit our 1-year mark. We're at almost 2,500 subscribers, which is totally awesome, you guys. And last year I actually vlogged, but I never actually shared any of the vlog footage for some reason. I'm not sure why, but I wasn't a very good vlogger then. I'm not really a good vlogger now, you guys know that. But I'm actually going to post this vlog so you guys can come and hang out with us while we have a family camping trip. Let's go ahead and go set up the tent. Wish us luck. Hi, Misty. Are you setting up the tent? She's trying to. Come on, you can do it. Hammer it. Woo! You got it. Are you stuck, buddy? Do you miss your husband yet? I always miss mine when he's gone too.
Why aren't you here setting up camp?
Come on.
Oh, there's a crooked one.
They're all crooked.
Wonky.
We got a wonky one. Don't hammer your hand.
How dirty I am already.
I know. Are you camping or what? Must be camping.
You must be camping in a residential neighborhood.
With your beautiful makeup on. You're glamping. We're by someone's house. Our neighbors over here. We got Fred We've got Jill over here. Then we have Wanda, who's like that crazy neighbor who like is a busybody and who's heck of annoying.
Joneses.
She's super annoying, and so Wanda needs to calm down. She comes over here every night and she's like, "Hey you guys, stop being so loud."
Well, this is.
Do you hate Wanda too? She's the worst.
So it's basically.
Then you have Wanda over here,
10. It'll be this.
aka Lisa, who is really helping us right now. She's an excellent tent center upper.
What's going on, Misty? Why am I sitting down?
Because she's an excellent tent setter upper.
She's got her vertigo.
I just pounded a whole bunch of steaks and my vertigo started messing with me.
That's what she says.
Yes, I had to sit down. She'll talk about me.
Come.
Mean daughter.
Yeah. Don't glare at me. No. You're too close. Help, you're like a giant. I zoomed in.
Ah!
What? Look how big our camp is. So we have, that's one of our tents. That's one of our tents. That's one of our tents. All these people are with us. We have our food set up. We have another tent over there. That's like a giant tent. And then my grandma is setting up a tent over there. And then here's our tent. So this is a huge camping trip. And then we have the dog run right here. It's crazy. Let's see. How can they do it? Do we need our husbands? No. We're independent women who can set up our own tent. Might take us 3 hours, but we're gonna do it. Why is it that whenever they have tents, they never like have very good directions? I just don't get it. It's very annoying. Dude, we are smarter than the tent, but like, why do you have such bad directions? That's so annoying. Did you hear me? Say hi, Grandma.
I said we're gonna move right.
Grandma!
Here. What? Right there.
What?
My tent. Right.
Grandma's here. Matt's here. There's Bubbles over there. What's your Twitch name? I'm gonna give you a shout out. What?
Saya Nightshade.
Saya Nightshade. Go follow him on Twitch. He's a gamer and he is awesome. And we call him Bubbles. His name's Daniel, but we call him Bubbles. Let's do an we'll do an MTV crib tour when we're done. So we can't show them yet. Good morning, everyone. So now it is day 2 of camping. As you can see, I'm a glamper. If you guys want to be haters, you can. But I like to do my makeup because we don't only just like stay in the camp and stuff. We go around Tahoe and go like to lunch and stuff. So I like to have my makeup done. So judge me if you want. But anyways, we are about to go down to the lake, I think. We all just had breakfast. My grandma made me some gluten-free French toast. It was really good. And then I was gonna show you guys the tent that we have set up, but it's really messy right now, so I might wait and clean it up and then show you guys a little bit later. I'll have you guys just hanging out with us while we hang out around camp and stuff and have s'mores and stuff. So I'll catch you guys a little bit later, and bye-bye. Hey guys, so this is the same day. I figured I would vlog. We're in the process of playing the game Catan. I think I mentioned that before. So we're gonna go and play Catan. I'm losing, I can't do anything, so I figured I would vlog. So my camera died, but we're going to go play Catan. So let's go watch everyone else play since I can't really do anything. So let's go play Catan. Hello. Can I do anything yet? Candy? Oh my god, I got something!
Oh no, she got another sheep too.
Who's got bricks?
Hooray, we rolled a 3? This is my sad little
What do you need?
section over here. Who's winning?
Oh, I have a 3. I get a wood.
I got sheep and hay.
Huh? I can't yet because I'm vlogging. I'll turn it up in a second.
What the hell? I forgot I had that.
I got sheep or hay for bricks. Anybody? Sheep or hay for bricks?
Sheep or hay for bricks?
Yeah.
This is Catan, you guys. I don't know if any of you guys have ever played this game. It's super intense. I won the last game.
Wait,
But this is an intense game. They're doing some trading, some intense trading over here. I can't do anything, so I guess I'll just be commentary.
Are you doing anything?
I'm a freaking big fat loser.
Hey!
Oh, cool, an 8? Oh, that's great. I get nothing.
I got more hay. That's great. I got double hay.
Oh, awesome. How's everyone else doing? Who's winning?
You get 2 woods.
This is the worst game I've ever played in my whole entire life. I normally win all the time. I don't like to lose.
Yeah, normally.
I'll just talk to you guys about it. I'm gonna turn it around.
Does anyone have any stone?
I'm so sad.
I got hay.
Anyone have stone?
I'm just hanging out. I'm gonna eat some C's candy now since I can't play the game.
No.
Well, you brought chocolate in front of a pregnant lady.
What are you asking for?
Need wood.
Stone.
You can have this one if you want it.
I have brick.
This is a California brittle.
I need
Best.
Are you allowed to trade more than one card? But one?
Yeah. You can do that.
You didn't get any of it. You only got chocolate. Friendship.
Okay, I'm gonna buy.
Hello, Steven.
Settlement. Okay.
Welcome to my life.
She's getting her port.
Hey, watch my camera, ma'am. It's right here.
Look here, lady.
A brick and I get a settlement, which is this one. The little one. Little one. Baby house. Baby house.
Baby
Why do I
house.
think those are?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't either. She gets her port.
Yeah, she gets this one right here.
And now she has the wood port.
Do it. Do it.
Okay, so now that I have
she's
a
just gonna
port,
trade it in for shit that she needs. And
That's right.
I'm done. Unless you have something else to do.
I can continue drawing it. She might never be my Get out of here. This is my camera. If you want a YouTube channel, you start your own.
Yeah, but I need a brick. I wanted to know what I told you
That is brick.
You can't even focus on it. Get out of here.
to get whatever you may need. So now I can do it. Now you can do a row because now you just traded for brick.
I'm gonna do everything I can that you want.
No.
Yeah.
Cheating.
That's not cheating. That's called I don't care. I can do what I want.
Called I
It's
don't
my choice.
Called I don't care.
Watch this, Cindy.
Trying to explain to her why she wouldn't want to go that way.
8! Hooray for everyone else!
not me.
Yay!
I thought 8 was bad.
No, 7 is bad.
7 is bad. Okay.
I get two of these.
Can I help you?
I don't
What would
want
you
to
like?
die. Go.
Look
I got some hay.
What can I get for you and not me?
What are you gonna give me for it? So, how are you guys doing?
Maybe that's what I was thinking.
I can't do anything.
Cards in my hand.
Just get rid of
Do you guys like to go camping?
Not me. That sucks.
In Brooklyn.
My hay.
I
and my-
know,
right
dude.
now,
That's
they're not
how
really
I
doing
felt
that
too.
You're playing against yourself.
Exactly.
Alright, you guys, I'll catch you a little bit later. I'm just gonna hang out and do nothing.
Oh, look at that
And
stat.
I'm gonna hang out and help everyone else win. Cool. I won last game, it's fine. Bye. Good morning, you guys. So, today is the last day of camping. As you can see, Mom was looking a little bit rough, but we actually had a good time. I didn't vlog very much while we were camping, just because I wanted to hang out with my family that I don't get to see all the time, and you know, that's pretty much why I didn't vlog a lot. But I did get a little bit of footage. We are going to be here for the rest of today, the rest of tomorrow. We leave tomorrow night to go home, so I will definitely vlog a little bit more on this trip. I know this vlog's probably not super long, but that's okay. Do you guys like camping? Let me know down in the comments below if you guys love to camp. I actually really love camping, but we're just about to pack up our campsite. Hello.
Hello.
We're about to pack up our campsite. As you can see, it's a little bit messy in here, but we have to be out of here in like 2 hours, I think. So we're just going to pack up. Say hi, Mom.
I look terrible.
We're looking a little rough.
A little rough. Look, the camping look going on.
We have
Campers look.
campers.
Oh, your boots are still in grandma.
Those are grandma's. But yeah, so I will catch you guys a little bit later after we are showered probably, and when we look a little bit prettier. Catch you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, what's up? So it is the last day of our trip. We are actually on our way to go get pedicures and go to lunch, so I'll bring you guys along with us. We are going, I'm not exactly sure where we're gonna go to lunch, but we do want to go get something before our pedicure, and then I think the rest of the day we're just gonna be chilling, hanging out, having some dinner and stuff, and then we fly out tonight at like 10 o'clock. So it's been a good trip, but it's time to go home. So we'll catch you guys a little bit later. I will bring you with us when we go to get pedicures. We are having poke for lunch. How many times have we been here now? 3 times? We've been here 3 times since we've been here. 3 times in a week. So I am,
Well, in 10 days.
yeah, 3 days and 10 days. So I'm having salmon and tuna. This place is really good. I like how they make their bowls. And then I have avocado and crab and cucumber and little seaweed strips and some fish eggs. What'd you get?
I just got shrimp, no rice. It fills me up too quick with some wontons. Crab, cucumber, seaweed salad, all the toppings.
Yeah, the seaweed salad.
Tipico, crab salad. Oh, I already said that. Onions, cilantro, jalapeno.
Oh, you got that in there? That's spicy. She likes it spicy. What'd you get?
Pretty much same as yours. Except
Yeah.
for mine has sesame.
Yeah, my mom gets sesame, but I don't really care for sesame that much. I like sweet sauces and maybe like a little spicy, so I got spicy mayo on mine instead. Is it good? Okay, it's time to eat now. Say goodbye, everyone. Alright, I'm gonna eat my food now, so I will catch you guys when we go to the nail salon to get our pedicures. How's it going over there?
Working on it.
Well, that's nice. How's that going over there? It's mine. Wrapping my feet up like a little baby in pajamas. The chair is shaking me Look. So we just got done with our pedicures, as I showed you some footage. It was really nice. My mom didn't have a great experience. My girl was really good, and Misty's girl was really good, and I got mustard yellow. So now we're headed back to the house. We'll talk when we get out of this salon, okay? Okay, so how was your pedicure, Mom?
I don't want to talk about it. So, I was very jealous. I was in the middle of Misty and Amanda. They're getting a massage on their legs. I got a guy that's doing my feet. In the middle of my pedicure, he'd stop staring off his face. Then he'd go.
He closed his eyes.
And then he'd get up and he'd go rest on the counter for a second. Then he'd come back. And he was done faster than these two, even though he got up 4 times and walked around. It was horrible.
Worst pedicure ever.
Worst pedicure ever.
How was your pedicure?
That was fabulous.
Mine was fabulous too.
Oh, I got a nice
It's always me.
stone massage.
Yeah, she stone massaged me.
nice.
She rubbed my legs.
The girl doing Misty's feet felt so sorry for me. She came over and rubbed my legs for me. Your feet. My feet. Hold on, you need eyelash. I do.
Now she's got a watery eye. Her eyelash is coming off. She has problems, man.
I don't think I can. You're gonna have to put it on though. Okay, hold on.
All right, guys. So we're gonna go to Ulta now. We have to go return some stuff.
Oh, you took it off? Yeah.
Okay, bye.
I just have Amanda put it on.
Hey, you guys. So I forgot to end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe before you leave. I will see you in my next video. And as always, remember, be your own kind of beautiful, and toodles for now.